loves? It's your girl Morgan Sinclaire, and I'm back again for another video. This time I'm doing a little bit something a little different. You feel me? If you read the title, you know I'm doing a Shein haul, but we're putting a little spin on it and doing like a jewelry haul. I think I wanted to show you guys like my jewelry that I be matching with my outfits and stuff, and I will make sure I wore a nice top that shows off my neck and my ears. These are not from Shein, they're just my regular hoops. But I'll be trying on all this jewelry and letting you guys know where I get it from. So make sure you check that description box below because it's down there. And yeah, let's get into this haul. Y'all, hurry up, it's already started, come on. I'm here and I got the snacks. Oh, you thank you, girl. I know. Send me some of those. Yeah, send me some of those. And what do you got that? Last thing to do, and I'll be ready. Never mind all that. Scratch all that. Forget y'all. We already late. It's already started. Back to the show. Snaggy. So first off, I'm just taking off my earrings, my hoop earrings. And you can get hoops from, I don't lift the tab up, I just pull them. But you can get hoops from your local beauty supply store. So this first pair, I don't know if you guys can see, are these beautiful geometric stud earrings. I don't know why they're called geometric studs, but like literally, this is what they look like. Yeah. I'm just gonna put them on pretty lightweight. Okay, so this is how they look. Very lightweight, very airy. I don't feel like my ear is being pulled. I like the geometric shapes. If you know me, I love a geometric shape. I love how this like geometric shapes makes me look like it's just different. I love these. I don't feel anything, like honestly I don't feel anything on my head. So you know how some earrings are really heavy, these are very lightweight, so I like these. So yeah, you know, and like honestly I would pair these with honestly anything, like but these are more like going out earrings, not, they could be casual if you like have on some cute jeans. Cash. Yes. Next pair. Okay, so next pair are these cute red geometric round charm drop earrings. So they have the charm, they're gold accent, they're red. The red's kind of course it's plastic, it's not real. If you have I don't know, like some people have allergic reactions to fake jewelry. If you are one of those people, I do not suggest you buy any of this jewelry, but if you're okay, this is like super cute. Now they come with two backs. I have the clear back in my hand and there's a gold back to match the gold accents. That is so pretty. Hold on, put the other one on, hold on. That is so pretty. I feel so, hold on, my hair back. I feel so regal, like, hello. It is Queen Morgan, and I am here to grace you guys with my presence. I've always wanted red earrings and red statement earrings, and I think these give that statement. They're a little heavy. I think it's because they have these big hoops on them, but what you can pair this with, let's see, a cute red dress, fitted red dress, clear heels, gold. All you need is these earrings. And honestly, like if you have a hairstyle like mine where your hair is kind of back and your earrings be shown, do not wear your hair just completely down, because these beautiful earrings will not be shown and you want people to see the glamour, sis. You want them to see the glamour, like, whatever. Next, all right, this is a necklace. I'm super excited because, like, it's a necklace. Like, and I needed more layered jewelry. So I wanted to invest more into layered jewelry. Just to clarify, guys, everything is in the description box below. You will be able to get these things, and you know I'm gonna add the coupon code. And if you don't know, right now on my thing, it says the coupon code is 15% off, and the coupon code is CYM sale. Yes, ma'am. And if this code ends, trust, I'll have another one in the description box. Okay. So it is a layered chain. It has a medallion at the bottom, a heart in the middle, and this layered chain here. Yeah, this plated chain is so cute. I like the pieces already layered, so I don't have to worry about trying to figure out what goes with what. Like, I love it. All right, so I am very impressed with this. It is a disc heart pendant necklace. This is how it looks on my neck. I would wear it with something like this outfit. So this is a two-piece set. So I would wear it with something, you know, like kind of casual. You could do dressy if you have a low V cut, like something with a V cut. This would be totally cute. I kind of wish this would have came in silver. It does choke a little bit around the neck, so be kind of mindful if you're not a person who likes things around their neck. It's kind of like I can stick my finger in there, but if you're just moving around, it's kind of like tight and hugging a little bit. So just be a little mindful of that. This was, and I didn't do the price, but I bought this for $271. That was really cute. And the original price was $3. Okay, it's fine. It's really cute. And I love layered necklaces like that and like this, but sometimes it's hard for me to find layered necklaces or necklaces that layer well together. To be able to have something like this that layers it all together is really, really cute. More earrings. I'm so excited, you know, for more earrings. These are yellow tassels. The actual correct name for these earrings are tassel charm drop down earrings. Cool. Again, a lot of statement jewelry. These earrings actually have this kind of rugged, kind of dotted design texture where it's got like these dots on them and they're kind of 3D. So it's kind of giving me like a boohoo feel, right? Like I'm finna go on vacation. You feel me? Like I like them. They're very lightweight. They come in different colors. So just so you know, these come in blue, black, and pink. And the blue is like a almost like a teal color. So just be mindful of that. So these are different colors. I bought these for $150. I think these are really cute. My tassel earrings actually broke. My yellow tassel earrings that I already have actually broke. So I think this is a good replacement for those tassel earrings. Again, more statement jewelry. If you're not into statement jewelry, we've got something else for you, girl. But so I bought some rings, guys. I'm so excited about rings because I often like to put rings on and stuff, and hopefully these rings fit. So this is a 9-piece set, rhinestone. Some go on the other side and some don't, but I don't know if you're like me, but I like mid rings, midi rings. I just gotta figure out what goes on what fingers. Do I like Sasha Fierce? You feel me? Sasha Fierce. So these are the mid rings. The one I put on my pinky was actually meant for my index finger, but this is too small to go where it was supposed to go on my index finger, and it's kind of too big for my pinky. It could fit right there, but bending my finger here, my wedding finger, would be hard. So I'll figure out a way to wear these where all of my fingers are kind of it. But I really think these are cute. I love mid rings, especially when I go get my nails done. My nails are like cute. I just be like, yes, I'd be like that. And honestly, I could just wear 4 on one hand and then 4 on another hand and then put one in the middle and I'll be great. So this pair is the Hexagon design earrings. They have these, I want to say it's like a cow texture design. I love this. First of all, again, I am a shape fan. If you have weird shapes, I have hexagons all through my apartment. My plates are hexagon. So imagine me getting black and white hexagon earrings. So cute. So cute. And they're very, I'm over here shaking my head. They're lightweight. Yes, they are. They're lightweight. And the earrings, so cute. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. I got these for how many dollars? $2.26. I don't even know what to say. I just know these are super cute and you guys gotta go cop these. They're lightweight. I love lightweight earrings where I don't feel like, I don't want to feel that they're there and I don't want to be feeling like I need to take these off while I'm doing what I'm doing. So I like these earrings so much. Okay. Next pair. Okay, next pair are some statement earrings. They are, again, a weird shape, but they have pearls on the bottom of them. And they are called the Faux Pearl Decor Structured Stud Earrings. And again, they have a big stud and a smaller stud. And they're crisscross. So, I don't know about you guys, but all of the jewelry says Shein except this pair. So I don't know if I should be alarmed by that. I'm not gonna lie, I like that the earrings come with a cushion. I don't know why I like that, but they have a little cushion on the back. They're kind of heavy. I'm not even gonna hold you. They're kind of heavy. If you have hair like mine, just know that your hair will get caught in the earring. I feel like a bobblehead. Do you know that, like, oh snap. I dropped my the back to the earring. I do. I feel like the bobblehead. Y'all know, like, the I don't know what it's called, where you lift the ball and then it snaps back, and then the other one it's like a the crazy thing is, like, I'm sitting here talking to you about it, and by the time I get off the screen, I'll tell you what I'll remember what it's called. That's what this reminds me of. It's a little bit like doop 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 doop, like that's what it reminds me of. But they're so cute. Like, I like that they're different. I've never seen any earrings like this, so I felt like I needed to cop. I stood up, guys. All right, this pair is kind of weird. Yeah, I don't understand. It's like a hook and whatever. I'm just gonna put one on. I think I'm gonna send this pair back. I'm not totally impressed with this pair. I feel like whoever created a pair of earrings like that, like this, were just trying to do too much. I thought the design, the triangle design, would be, I guess, it kind of just looks fake. Like, and I don't like the fake look. Yeah, it's just not my favorite. That's too bad. That's like one that I am just not like sold on. And these are kind of made like hoop earrings where I have to take them off weird. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. You guys let me know how you feel about these earrings. Okay, last pair, Hexagon earrings. Oh my gosh, they're Hexagon, just gold plain gold plain hexagon design earrings. I love them. They're just drop down hexagon earrings. So cute. And I think that's what they're called actually. Yep, geometric charm drop earrings. They're very lightweight. I like these so much. I don't know. I'm sorry guys. I'm in love with a geometric shape besides a square. Like I love this. Like check that out. Like peep the details, sis. Peep the details. You feel me? Like this is so cute. Ooh. You feel me? And I got this pair for $181. Ooh, cute. Okay guys, this is it for my Shein jewelry haul. I'm so glad that you guys can tune in. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And one more thing, do not forget, God got you, you got this. And adulting is super hard. Hello, I'm over here buying fake jewelry so I can look fabulous still. But still, that don't even matter because the jewelry is fab. Anyway, but adulting is super hard. We all know this. We all know this is. And we just gotta take it one step at a time. And like I said again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you want to see more things from me. It's free, sis. It's free. Okay. Let me stop playing. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you lots. Be breezy. Bye.